Welcome to AI and Robotny. It's your window into the stories that shape our world. From the latest technological breakthroughs in AI and robotics.
Wall Street Journal reports that the robots that are taking over your food delivery. Robots are carting fried chicken through Chicago streets. Drones are parachuting Panera strawberry lemonade down to homes in Charlotte, North Carolina. AI-powered scales at fast food restaurants are making sure delivery orders that go out aren't missing burgers. Billions of dollars in investment and years of research have gone into fixing food delivery.
Tesla's Optimus robot serving popcorn to children at the Tesla Diner, a new establishment in West Hollywood that combines a supercharging station, a classic American diner, and a drive-in theater, reflecting Tesla's integration of technology into everyday experiences. A robot roofer claiming to address labor cost and labor safety. An AI robot is now roofing US homes. No ladder, no brakes, just machine precision. One of the oldest methods of preventing wildfires is doing controlled burns, which preemptively remove leaves, dead branches, and other dry materials. Nebraska-based startup Drone Amplify uses small quadcopter drones carrying hundreds of ping-pong ball-sized combustible eggs to ignite small, trackable, and contained fires. Its drones are currently operating more than 200 systems in the US, Canada, Germany, and Australia. Using drones enables better monitoring as well as nighttime operations.
A drone that can map the inside of a collapsed tunnel. When a landslide in the Swiss Alps caused a road tunnel to cave in, the Helios 3 was deployed to gather situational awareness and help plan a rapid response. The results were used to strategize the best way to reconstruct the tunnel safely, as well as to understand the nature of the landslide to inform future disaster preparedness. Tunnel inspections can be very dangerous after a recent collapse, making it difficult to send people inside, especially if you don't know the situation it is in.
MIT's new AI teaches robots how to move using just a single camera and no sensors. It maps the robot's visible body parts to actuator commands, learning from scratch like a toddler in front of a mirror, but for robots and faster.